Kementeri Jangka Sorkar Jela kokong Ampareen lingdo haga khandai tarik ujemang kalapan pau yaga jing Sngewskhem baka National People's Party NPP kan job na Sohïong.
Information from the field ground zero indicates that our position is comfortable, and we look forward to this democratic process by the people of Sohïong, who due to unfortunate circumstances could not have their election then. We are hopeful that this seat will come to the NPP.
Habakado baka seng kala tarai shitom bat bakam day bandan kadaw na kabanta ka jing syarem Kementeri kala ong baki election shiteng samoy haki por balalet kipin iya ki result ki babha.
We have worked hard. There should be no reason. In fact, there was a multi-pronged approach applied to Sohïong election. We have not seen in the past by-elections that have occurred in the state of Meghalaya that the result was negative. This time as well, we do not expect nor anticipate nor are we evaluating a loss of this very critical seat.